I hope you enjoyed Coffee and Tech and Coffee and Tech. This is a disaster. What's up, YouTube? This is Nat from Give 'em Chills. Today we'll be doing our first episode of Coffee and Tech, where we will drink some good coffee and we will talk about some tech. We will be reviewing products, unboxing stuff, and mainly just entry-level products for streamers and YouTubers. For today's product, we're going to be reviewing the FIFINE USB microphone. This microphone has been on Amazon for a while now. The price usually has been at around $29. Recently, with all the pandemic and the low on supply, the price is up to $45. So I bit the bullet and I paid $45 for this thing, and we will see if it's worth it. We're going to be testing three major things, or in my opinion, there's three major things that I care about as a regular consumer or a person that's trying to stream or getting into streaming. First one is we're going to be testing background noise and white noise, see how that looks like with this mic. The second thing we will be testing is basically Second thing, we'll be testing the angles, just trying to talk to this mic from different angles, whatever your stream looks like, how far it is. The third thing we're going to be testing is different scenarios. The two scenarios that I care about personally are if I'm just in a just chatting mode and I want to relax and chill back. Does the mic still pick me up? Can you still hear me really well? And the second scenario, if I'm playing a FPS game and I get really intense and start yelling, what does that look like? What does that sound like? Let's get into it.
If you're a streamer like me, you know what I'm talking about. Currently, I'm using the headset mic. It sounds really bad. I also mumble, and since English is my third language, even I have a hard time understanding myself sometimes. So, let's get into this. Let's open the FIFINE box of the USB mic, and we'll try it out, see what's in the box. So, yeah, let's get into it. Sip of coffee. Alright. Here we go. So, just a sticker, user's guide in here. Man, that's a big user guide for just a mic. So, alright, what's in the box? One USB microphone with 5.9 feet. Why not 6? USB cable, one metal tripod stand, and one user manual. So obviously not much. I guess the mic has a knob on it, so who cares about. This is probably the first time I've read a guide in my life, and it's probably just because I'm doing this review. I guess this is a tripod. Oh, at least it's metal, it's not plastic. Coming in the box, straight out of the box, just a mic. To be honest, it's a little smaller than I expected. It looks like it's been used, but that's not the point. The point is to see how it works and how good it is. It's already pre-plugged in, so you probably want to treat this mic pretty nicely when you're using it. I guess they give you 6 feet, which is nice, but it doesn't matter. Once you like mess this up, you're gonna have to buy a new mic or just switch to a different brand with a mic that is replaceable. So, alright, so this is it. This is all that's in the box. Let's hook it up. So how do you actually? So I guess you just do this. You try to do that, like me, and I failed miserably. It's easier when you do this. Alright. Close the legs. It's much easier. Yeah, don't try putting it in when the legs are open. Or the tripod legs are open. Yeah, this material feels really cheap. Okay, so the mic does turn around, 360. This side of the mic is where you can pick up the audio, right here. Plug it in. Yeah, once you plugged it in, and let's see if we can pick it up as an audio source. So if we go to sound settings in Windows, now we have USB PNP audio. Okay, so if we go to our mix properties, so now I'm using the NVIDIA RTX. Let's see how it sounds. We switch to it. So let's get started. The first one is white noise, right? I have the mic right now at 50% audio on the knob, and I am going to shut up for 10 seconds, and we're going to test that later on. Okay. So I can see on my audio bar and OBS here, I'll share my screen with you.
I can see that on my audio bar on the OBS when I'm silent. The noise, the white noise is around minus 50 dB. And you can see it right there. And then if I change the audio on the mic to 100%, we will see what happens then. Alright, so the white noise goes to minus 40 dB. And we'll test out the audio at 50 and 100 after we finish recording this. So obviously this mic picks up some white noise, which is normal and fine, and you can get rid of the white noise by simply going to filters and having a noise suppression that you added from here. And obviously you want to choose the number that is around where the white noise was hovering around. Let's test the second scenario, the pickup, right? So the first thing we're gonna test is, all right, how much audio does it pick up when I am about 5 inches away? How much audio does it pick up when I'm about 1.5 feet away? If I'm laid back over here, how much audio does it pick up? If I'm over here, how much audio does it pick up? If I'm above, how much audio does it pick up? And then the third thing that we want to test is scenarios, right? The first scenario, you're in a war zone game and you're like, yo, bro, he's behind you, he's behind you. Come on, I need help. He's right there. Yeah, you see him on top of the hill. Top of the hills. Can you snipe? Do you have an angle? No, man, come on, bro. How does it sound on stream? You don't want to freaking blow your viewers' ears out. A scenario where you're just chilling on stream and you're just chatting and you want to lay back. Let's test that. Yeah, guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah, I stream every day during the week from 4:30 to 6 Mountain Time. I actually do that. A better mic should solve obviously I can't even speak. We will be testing the video that we just recorded with the audio with a new mic. We will listen to all of those and evaluate. So let's go. Whoa. Hey, can you hear that? So in the background, in the white noise, you can hear like a little bit of, I don't know, what would you call that? It sounds like a helicopter, really, what it does. And I'm not sure what that noise is. I think that's the type of the white noise this mic is picking up, even though in this room where I'm at, there is no noise at all. I don't have any fans. My PC is super quiet and there's no noise outside. So not a big deal, but something that you should know. Let's move over to the pickup. How much audio does it pick up when I'm about 1.5 feet away? Not bad. If I'm laid back over here, how much audio does it pick up? Not bad from the sides. If I'm over here, how much audio does it pick up? If I'm above, how much audio does it pick up? Oh, wow. Okay, so from above is the clearest, which is very interesting. Tapping on the front. Yeah. You know, I actually don't know why I did this tapping thing. I don't think it's even valid at all. All right, moving to a third test. Third test is scenarios, right? Scenarios, right? I said the same exact thing. I love it. First scenario, you're in a war zone game and you're like, no, man, come on, bro. Oh my gosh, that sounds awful. I guess, yeah, you can also solve that issue by adding another OBS noise gate, but not bad, to be honest. Like, it could have been really worse. All right, here we go. Second scenario where you're just... I like that when I just lay back, I look like I'm dying. Okay, so reviewing that clip, me being laid back, talking, mumbling as much as I can probably, it's not bad. It's really not bad. Because you don't want to be bound by the distance, right? You don't want to be so close to the mic. Or always have to be so close to the back. You get back issues. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this mic and if we should keep doing reviews like this. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, a comment, and please subscribe to the channel to support it. I stream every weekday from 4:30 to 6 p.m. Mountain Time. I'll be leaving some links on the bottom about this product. There's no affiliation or anything with Amazon. You can just buy it if you want. I'm just trying to be a consumer informative reviewer, unboxer stuff.